Welcome to It Pro Express.
Benefits of Learn Excel. Universal application. Excel is used in almost every industry, including finance, healthcare, education, and IT, making it a valuable skill for any career path. Data organization. Excel allows for efficient data storage, sorting, and management, helping you handle large sets of information with ease. Analytical power. With Excel's advanced functions and formulas, users can analyze data to make better business or personal decisions, identifying trends, patterns, and insights. Automation of tasks. Excel's Macros and VBA, Visual Basic for applications, can automate repetitive tasks, saving time and boosting productivity. Improved reporting. Charts, graphs, and pivot tables in Excel help visualize data, making reports more engaging and easier to understand. Error minimization. Functions like conditional formatting and data validation help catch errors early and maintain data accuracy. Collaboration. Excel's cloud-based tools allow multiple users to work on a document simultaneously, improving teamwork and communication. Career advancement. Proficiency in Excel can open up more job opportunities and lead to higher pay, as it's often a key skill for many administrative, financial, and technical roles. Problem solving. Excel encourages logical thinking and problem-solving through complex calculations and data manipulation, helping you develop strong analytical skills. Versatility. Excel isn't just for numbers. It can be used for budgeting, scheduling, inventory management, project planning, and much more, making it a versatile tool for both work and personal use. Learning Excel equips you with a practical, in-demand skill set that can be applied to various aspects of life and work. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and share my page.